We have Dr. A L Bhat. He's practicing in Jaipur. Well, we're going to ask him small questions actually on the topic of kidney stone management. Well, sir, very welcome. We would like to ask you, why do you think the number of cases for kidney stone are on the high rise these days?
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to interact with you, and I think to interact with the patients.
Yeah.
The reason is that you see there are changing pattern in our dietary habits, and coming to that, especially the western side, the children and other people are hardly taking liquids, so less amount of liquid intake and the diet pattern. And another important point in our India is that in the western part, and this one north starting from Punjab, then Haryana, Rajasthan, this part is a stone belt part. So the incidence of the stone disease in these areas is much more than the other part of the country.
True is that. Well, what has been the most challenging case of kidney stone that you have ever dealt with? Could you please recall that instance?
No, nothing challenging. I have dealt with all type of these stones. The only thing which precautions one has to be taken in, especially in the staghorn calculus and the stone in the CRF cases. Staghorn also, you prepare the patient first and make the patient understand that maybe it may take a longer time. And in the CRF patient, prepare the patient first and then go ahead for surgery, so that the outcome is much better.
Right. Well, in your experience, what precaution can effectively be taken by patients to avoid getting kidney stones, or if they have ever had it, to not getting recurrent stones?
The prevention is the best way is that our urine output should be more than 3 liters. So you take liquids which is in that amount that your output is more than 3 liters, number one. Number two, if you have been operated, then get your stone analyzed and change your diet accordingly. Or in those cases where, especially if you are working is in the high temperature area, like in the fields or in the mines where there is a lot of water loss by perspiration, in such cases the liquid intake should be much more than the required one.
Right. Well, what do you think is going to be the next breakthrough when it comes to kidney stone domain?
Kidney stone domain, I think we are at the peak of its management, and most of when earlier it came to be the minimal invasive, now it has come to the minimal one, and PCNL stone can be done even by micro PCNL. So that is a good, and this breakthrough and these type of the surgery is better done in India, and since the number of cases are large, almost most of the urologists are best trained in this.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable answers. We are very glad to have you, and it was very nice talking to you.
Thank you.